Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. As I shared today with the Asia session in my analysis, gold is failed to break 1774 levels. Recall these were the levels I had told you that only below 1774 you should go short. It is precisely trading above these levels. At the same time, US 30 and US 100 trying to trade bearish. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do listen to it carefully, do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. If you are missing on to subscribe, you are definitely missing on the profits, as the next update on this will be shared before the Asia session tomorrow. Do press the bell icon. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold trading at 1770, and look at the hourly charts. If you look at the hourly charts, it's precisely creating a base out there, but at the same time lower highs and flat bottom indicates it is trying to consolidate a bit. Now this time you can go long above 1780 levels. If you see it trading beyond 1780, you can go long. Then watch out for 1783-84 zone, and then it will fly till towards 1788 and 90. This is going to be the next resistance zone. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom. The MACD is trading flat, and the RSI is also near to bottom out there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, if you will find that it is creating a flat bottom out there, lower highs are getting created. Any long entry, yes, possibly with the next candle you can go long. If you see it trading beyond 1780, then one can expect that it may fly till towards 1784-85, and then 1790 level should come into picture. Beyond that it may fly. On the downside, if it breaks below 1774, still it may get a support at 1770, and once it breaks below 1770, you can expect it to hit 1764 and below levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish and it is willing to converge crossover. Let's see if it does. Right now RSI is also near to bottom out there. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation. You will find lower highs, flat bottom, and see it is trying to trade in this zone. Probably we have to wait for it to give a breakout, the good long entry as I shared earlier in the day today. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 1783-84, that should be a very good, comfortable and safe long entry where you can buy and you can stay long. Then you can expect 1790, 1795 and plus levels. On the downside, you have to wait for it to break 1774. Below that, yes, you can expect 1770, which is a very good support, and below that it may fall down till towards 1764, and then you may see a very good crash below 1764 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards. The MACD is bearish. It is trading flat. It is trading with little divergence. RSI is also near to bottom. Likewise on the 4-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour. See, this is the third red candle of the series, and yes, if you consider this movement here, probably it may come back till towards 1772-73, which may provide a support, and then 1770, this is the next support zone. Below that also it may try to go back till towards 1764-65, but yes, be watchful and be cautious. It may trade with little momentum and try to hit down these levels, try to achieve these levels, and can retrace from there. Only long entry I will recommend is beyond 1780. Beyond that you can expect 1783-84, and if it breaks past this zone you can remain long, and then it may try to achieve 1788-1790 zone, which is going to be a very strong resistance. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is again looking downwards from here, indicating it may call for a little bearishness there. MACD wide divergent and it is still bearish. RSI is looking downwards, indicating again a little bearish move, but at the same time the support there at 1774 levels is going to be strong, as I told earlier in the day. See, on the daily charts also we have seen very little movement so far, and yes, it has formed a wick, it has formed a tail, but at the same time it is failing to go past this zone. Hence, yes, you should be cautious till towards 1770. Now look at 1770 levels, the 50 period and 120 period moving average crossing over here, indicating that it is potentially entering into little bullish zone. But be watchful. If it breaks below 1770, then probably we can expect a little more fall, which might bring it till towards 1764 and 1760. If it breaks below that, we may see a very strong fall. So probably do not trade between 1770 and 1780 now. Previously today morning I told this zone between 1774 and 84. Now I am reducing it for 1770 and 1780. Do not trade in between these $10. and be safe in between these $10. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover. Let's see if a sharp red candle appears today. Probably we may see a MACD crossing over, RSI trading flat. Considering this, yes, you can go short below 1774, but then I will recommend a safe entry only below 1770. If it draws below 1770, you can go short for 1764, 1760, and below that we may see a very good fall till towards 1750 levels. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, if you see it trading beyond 1780, go long, and then 1785, 1790 and 1795 levels should be seen. We may see in fact achieving 1800 levels if it continues to trade beyond the strongest resistance at 1795. So take your positions accordingly. On the nearest time frames, on the hourly 2 hour time frames, it appears it has seen a bottom out there and it is getting very strong resistance, and hence probability of a rise cannot be denied. Be cautious. Only short entry below 1770, long entry beyond 1780, and do not trade between 1770 and 1780. If you want to take a little risk, yes, you can go short at 1774, but at the same time must understand that there is going to be support down there at 1770. 1, 2, 3, 1770 levels. Any point of time it may get a support and bounce back, and hence you have to be cautious. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And before we move forward, yes, I started my own pattern page, and yes, you can be a member on this pattern page. Definitely becoming a pattern will unlock exclusive benefits for you, where you can directly ask a query to me, and multiple exclusive content is planned. You can be part of it, and also if not, you can just support the channel, as the cost is very minimal. It is just $7 a month, hardly anything. So you can be part of the pattern, become a founding pattern, and definitely it will motivate me as well as it will help you in your day trading. Join this, link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now on the hourly charts, the Nasdaq 100 is giving you lower highs and giving you higher lows, so it has to give you a breakout. Any good short entry is below 13620. Below that, yes, you can go short, and at the same time above 13680 you can go long. This is the level I had shared earlier in the day. Today it broke out once but bounced back very sharply. So yes, once again this is the level I am looking forward to, and yes, you can go short at 13660 itself. Beyond 13660 you can stay long. Below 13620 you can go short, so almost 40 points. Avoid this. It is trying to consolidate in between these levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic flat, MACD white divergent bearish, RSI is sloping downwards. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts too, likewise you will find lower highs, higher lows. Any breakout above 13660, yes, you can go long, but then 13680, 13700 and 13720 levels should provide very strong resistance on the upside. At the same time, if you see it trading below 13620, go short there. Expect 13580 and then 13540 levels, providing it a very strong support. Below that we may see a very good and strong fall. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD has crossed over, it is divergent, it is bearish. We may see further red candles. RSI near to top. And if you look at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, look at this. Higher lows, lower highs, willing to break out. Yes, you can go long, but a good safe entry if you want to take, yes, I recommend. If you see it trading beyond 13680, you can go long, and then we can expect 13720 levels. Also, you can try to initiate a long entry above 13660. Beyond that, yes, we may see a good resistance any point of time till towards 13700, 13720 levels, and beyond that we may see a very strong fall. So 13680, 700, 720, these three levels you should watch out for. Every 20 points there is a resistance out there. On the downside, go short at 13620, and this time you can expect it to drop sharply. This may try to bring it at 13580 first support, and then 13540 levels should come into picture as the strongest support. Below that we may see a good fall. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over, and this crossover is after a little while, and this is the first red candle. It is divergent, indicating we may see a little more bearishness. RSI is near to top there. On the 4 hour charts, you can see it is given a positive opening. It is opened above these levels, and above this closing and indicating little bullishness, but at the same time it is trying to give you lower highs, higher lows. Be watchful of 13,660 levels. It can trade above 13,660, then you can wait for 13,680, 700, 720. Remember, till the 720 it can reverse any point of time. From there, yes, you can expect a drop, but a good drop can be expected. If it drops below 13,620, then you can expect 13,580, 13,540 levels. Below 13,540, we can expect a very strong fall on the downside. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is trading in green so far, willing to converge, crossover for a sell. Let's see if it does. RSI is near to top, willing to drop. And look at the daily charts now. Look at the daily chart. The candle is red so far. It hardly moved on the downside and it is continuously trying to push upside. It may form a double top, achieving 13,680, 13,680 levels, and can drop from there. That is why I say be cautious of 13,680. Yes, you can go long at 13,660, but you have to put the stop loss at cost itself so that you can profit from the, and you should not risk your capital in case of a reversal. And yes, it may try to attempt and achieve higher highs, 13,700, 720 zone, and from there probably it can retrace again on the downside. See, if you consider this as the pivot at around 13,550, you can expect 13,550, then you can expect 13,720, and probably on the downside we can see it hitting 13,450 levels also. So it can give you a wider swing. With the pivot at around 13,580, almost 150 points, and with the pivot at 13,580, you can expect almost 130 points, taking it till towards 13,450 and below levels. So yes, be watchful till 13,720. It can reverse any point of time. Then you have to wait for 13,580. That is going to be a stronger support. Below that, you can expect it to drop till towards 13,540, 500 and 450 levels. Directional movement is extremely bullish. It must start to converge. Now it has seen the high, it must start to converge, and this time the drop can be sharp enough. Look at the stochastic. This is also overbought, waiting for it to cross over and drop from there. The MACD is trading in green since long. It must converge, crossover for a sell, and then we can see little bearishness. RSI is overbought. So I'll look forward to a drop, but this drop can happen any point of time till towards 13,680, 700, 720 levels. Yes, it can drop. You can go long at 13,660, but you have to be very, very, very cautious with the long, with the buy position out there till 13,720. And in fact, I'll recommend 13,740, 750 levels. Yes, it can drop from these levels also. On the downside, you have to watch you have to be watchful of 13,580 levels. Once it drops below 13,580, you can expect a little more bearishness, giving it a first support at 13,540, and then below that you can expect a good drop till towards 13,450 and below levels. Remember this set, trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow. See, US 30, you can find lower highs there, lower lows there, and it is trying to create or trade in this channel. So let me draw a little more beautifully so that you can understand what I am trying to say. So it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs of this, again I'll recommend only long entry beyond 33,950. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 33,950, you have to close your shorts and stay long, and then we can expect 34,000, 34,020, 34,050. This is going to be very, very strong resistance. If you have watched my weekly analysis, I told that this is going to be the resistance zone which you should watch out for. 33,950, 34,050. It is failing to go past 33,950 so far, trying to come back again on the downside. Yes, you have to be watchful of 33,820 and 33,800. Once it drops below 33,800, it will call for a very strong drop till towards 33,750 and then 33,700. This zone is important. Once it drops below 33,700, it will call for a stronger fall for 33,500 levels. Directional movement is bullish so far, willing to converge. Stochastic flat, MACD bearish, RSI is flat and sloping downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you will find likewise it is skewed on the downside, and you will find that we may see a little resistance at 33,950. Only if it breaks beyond 33,950, I will recommend you to go long. That is going to be a safe buy position, else we may see it dropping till towards 33,800 first support, and below 33,800 we can see 33,780 and then 33,750 giving it a support. Then 33,700 will come into picture. Below that we may see very strong drop. So first support at 33,780. If it draws below 33,780, you can expect it to drop for 33,700 and then 33,600. Below that, we may see a very good fall. You see, you have to watch full of 33,700, 33,600. These two levels are going to be very strong support now. Direction movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic at bottom, now looking upwards. Let's see if it sustains. MACD has crossed over. It is divergent. This is only two red candles. Let's see how it fares. RSI near to top. Likewise, if you see the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, if you will find, see, look closely on the charts, lower highs are done, and if you connect the dots simply, yes, lower lows. So probably once it draws below this zone at 33,820, you can expect 33,750, which is going to be a very, very strong support, and below that you can expect 33,700 and 600. These are the two strong support levels. Any long entry I will recommend is only above 33,950. If it sustains above 33,950, go long. Directional movement is bullish, but it is looking to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over, trading flat, trading with divergence, and it is bearish on the 3-hour charts. RSI trading flat. See, it is crossed after a little while, and yes, you may see a little bearishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the previous candle was little bit bearish, not completely bearish, as the body size was almost half the previous candle, indicates the bull bearishness is not very much there. At the same time, now this candle has opened with a flat bottom. So far it has given you lower highs and a flat bottom. Hence you have to be very cautious in between 33,950 and 33,820 levels. In between these 130 points, I will not recommend you to take any position. Once it draws below 33,820, yes, you can go short. Then my target is 33,750 and 700. These two levels you should mark out for. Then 33,600, these level also you should mark out for. Below that, it may act very bearish and we may see a very good drop till towards 33,350, 300 zone. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic is overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover after multiple moves. See, lower highs it is consistently given. This time it must try to cross over and we may see little bearishness. RSI near to top out there. And if you look at the daily candle, see, look at the daily candle. So far you will find it has already achieved a little higher highs there. Also it is achieved and opened in green. Hence you must be watchful of 33,950, and beyond that definitely it will call for a good bullish move which might take it till towards 34,000, 3420, 3450 levels. Be cautious of 34,000 to 34,050 levels. It can drop from these levels. You have to be very, very cautious out there. Beyond 3450, yes, you can expect a bullish move which might take it till towards 34,100 and 34,200 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. See, it is previous candle. If you look at it has shown a good swing, and let me draw something for you here. If you consider 33,700 as the pivot, rather I will see now the pivot as 33,750, and from there we have already seen 33,500 yesterday. So 33,750 to 33,500, 250 points, and on the upside 34,000 now is going to be the resistance zone. Directional movement extremely bullish. It must start to converge, if not today, probably tomorrow. Stochastic is overbought. It must start to drop, if not today, probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. MACD is bullish, but it must start to converge, crossover, if not today or tomorrow. RSI is overbought, hence it may call for a vertical drop, if not today, probably sometime possibly in this week. Yes, it may. So yes, you can go long only above 33,950 levels, but then you have to be very, very, very cautious till towards 33,980, 34,000, 3420, 3450 and 3400. Till here it can reverse, and hence you have to always put or trade with the stop loss at cost, and hence you have to put the stop loss at 33,950 itself, as it can close this level at any point of time. Yes, if it closes and you see it reversing in your direction, immediately enter a short entry at those levels, and yes, we again put the stop loss at your entry price, as between 33,800 and 34,000 you have to be very, very attentive. And considering this, I will say 33,820, do not go short till the time it is above 33,820. Do not go long or do not buy till it is below 33,950. And also if it is above 33,950, you should try to find out a good shorting opportunity any point of time till towards 3420, 3450, 3400 levels. Yes, till that time you can enjoy the profit. You can trade with the trailing stop loss such that in case of a reversal you can close your trade in profit, and then immediately try to enter a short entry if you see it trading below 33,920 and 900 levels. Yes, you can go short there, then expect 33,820 levels. A good swing between 33,820, 34,020 levels can be seen. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, become a pattern. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.